Just got here at Darlington Dragway. Of course, it is dead on this end. We're racing from the top of the track. And I'm running super late, so I don't know if we're going to get any reasonable parking or not. We may be way back here in the end of the track, but we're going to ride down there. Here we go. Our racing is tomorrow. Today is big tire and I think street car maybe. It's going to be fun today though. Your rear tire to it, that's where you put the front of your car. The glue will actually be poured a little further back now, so it's not so much hitting the road to the front. Kind of keep the greasiness down and keep it no pressure. So, keep the bumper behind the burnout line. Huh? Keep the bumper behind the burnout line. You don't line to pull your bumper up to you. So, I'm gonna let BJ go over his staging procedure with y'all. If y'all know BJ, if you don't, you got to find out. So,
what's up, everybody? Thank y'all for coming out. You know what I'm saying? We put that on the line. If you got a bump in, you can let me know. If you want to be on the line already, you can let me know. You know, let your person let me know. And we'll go from there. Go and jump. And then jump is anything, you know, you moving forward or squatting or tire cracking or anything. I'm gonna let
they're doing a driver meeting now for Friday night. Big tire, street car, I think, and stick shift maybe.
That's the dumbest thing in a race.
I don't remember exactly.
Yeah, you can't cross the center line.
What all classes they're doing other than big tire and like a late model or something. But here's that surface again. It has not changed. This is a tough setup. So one thing that they're doing different this time is this was the burnout pad before. You can see where the tires were doing the burnout. And it's really close to the starting line. So what they're going to do is they're going to move it back a little bit. Basically, this line is now going to be simply for the front tire. The front of the car cannot be past this line to do the burnout. And then that way it shouldn't track any gooey stuff up there to the starting line.
Any forward movement or squatting or tire cracking, that's a jump. But like if you on the trans brake and the car rocking, it's really not a jump unless you leaving. Most of the time I'll wait till it stop rocking, but sometimes I don't. You know what I'm saying? Other than that,
tough to get on it. This is going to be fun. All right, here we go. Big tire tonight. After you dry your chip, you go up to Samantha. You're going to tell her your name and your party. White chip is the left lane. Red chip is the right lane. There is a buy chip here. You get the buy run. You cannot have the buy again until everybody else has had a buy run.
okay? Hey,
Everybody okay?
yeah, we're okay. We survived.
He had his downpipe pointing over here, and it dusted us all up pretty good.
You never have to.
This is a car you see in all the videos for the no prep. The Firebird KC Maxxx. This thing is freaking unbelievable. Y'all getting it figured out, getting faster?
Yeah, I mean, getting it figured. The term faster is loosely stated.
This thing is sick, man. This thing is one of the most feared. It's got to be. It's probably the most feared small tire car there is. Luckily, it's got big tires on it today. When he said he was coming, Beaterbaum said that they were coming, but I think he had some issues. It's awesome to be able to see these guys out here. But man, this thing is slick. 100 inches of front travel.
So if you want something really cool, when was the last time you saw a turbo car that had a tri-Y header?
Never.
Go look on the driver's side.
Is it really?
Yeah. Where?
Yeah, driver's side. Go to
Driver's
driver's
side is cooler.
Dude.
Because you have to go 1 and 5 and then 3 and 7.
What?
Jesus Christ, what?
Dude, that is freaking awesome.
So go down here.
Look at that.
Wow.
Yeah, so there's 3 collectors.
Wow.
Car what he didn't build himself.
So
This thing is slick, man. I'm glad you're out here. Nice to meet you. It's freaking awesome. Been watching you forever on YouTube. I mean, it's just
different stuff today.
It's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I saw you were coming. I was like, sweet. And then it was even more sweet when you said you're on big tires, not small tires. I mean, because I was like, oh God. I was like, so Kendall, Joey, Ryan. I was like, I might as well not even go. I was like, well, I got to see how far I'm off. I ain't worried about Clint. I'm just kidding. Clint's like, oh yeah.
I finally got to come to a race for you here so I get a shirt.
Yes, you got one. I appreciate it.
So is this the fastest car you've ever seen with air filters?
Dude, I just don't even understand. I mean, it's just crazy.
It's a street car.
It really
He
is.
takes his old lady on dates. He has. We have proof
In the past.
in the past.
When-
In the recent past.
Back when it was a
Hey,
different
and guess what? He went on the date, and now they have a baby.
See, oh man, I understand. Firebird, I mean, this thing's awesome. Look how squashed that front spring is. That's where all that travel comes from. That is freaking awesome.
Yeah, that's enough room for a 12-inch spring, so we have a 1480 in there.
Jesus.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
It's taller than the strut.
Yes, it's a
playing the lineup
pain.
game as it goes in.
God is pain in the butt.
So, but yeah, we actually switched to a 12-inch 150 when we do the track stuff. Helps slow the front end travel down so we don't stay on the bumper again.
Yeah, I was gonna say it looked like it destroyed a bunch of stuff the other week when it did that great big wheelie.
Moved the subframe on the passenger side up and back over 2.5 inches.
Oh my God, this thing is cool, man. Well, it's very nice to meet you. Awesome, I love your car.
Love watching it go on big tires. I mean, this thing is just a rocket down there, it looks like.
Thank you.
It's fast. Thank you, sir. Good luck in big tire. You're down into what? Down three
Down
cars?
to 3, I just got to buy.
You got to buy. You're in the finals. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Here's your final in big tire. Ryan is your winner. Big tire. Corey's over there. Hey, we about to get a race on our scooters. You want a race? You want some scooter action? Okay. Okay, we'll do it tomorrow. You got lucky. You better go put it on full charge.
Hey, all we gotta do, all you said was my scooter.
No, that scooter over there.
All you said was you're racing my scooter.
Hey, we're gonna have to. If we're gonna change drivers, I'm gonna have to get my son on.
I mean,
It's actually my wife's scooter. I better not be racing it. All right, guys. Well, that wraps it up. We're done for the night. Saturday, small tire is happening. It's gonna be a blast. See y'all soon. Go to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some merchandise. We'll see y'all soon later.